So, g'day fellow banknote and coin collectors, and today we'll have an unpacking. So, I actually brought these items off of eBay. I buy most of my stuff on eBay. You can get really good stuff, and it's a very wide catalogue. But have a look at the stamps. So, this one's from Sweden, Swedish, 21 krona, it's about $4 Australian. And here's another stamp. I see a lot of, or a few countries actually, implementing these stamps as a lighthouse, but it has no postage value on it. So they can actually charge a price, and if their postage price is increased, which they always do, because they never decrease, because that's the way current currencies work, because they have no intrinsic value. Anyway, so they just don't have a price on it, but it's quite nice. This Swedish one has not been used. I said that quite a lot. And the other letter I got is okay. So this one is from the United States. And if you have a look at this stamp, you can see it has USA Global Forever. So up here it has forever. And that means, well, I pay one price, and in 5 years' time, is when the price goes up, I could still use this stamp and not pay any more money. So this is valid forever. That's why it has forever on it. And that is awesome. So let's open them up and see what I have. So just got to be careful when you open it up. So obviously the package is there, and I'm cutting behind it. So be careful when you're opening letters, because you can actually damage what's inside them. Okay, this one is flat, so it's most likely banknotes. And the handwriting is quite good, but because it's my address, I'm not going to show you. So, and then you get this beautiful folder. Oh, I have a German. No, let me turn around. We can get it more sunlight onto this. So there you go. German 20 marks. This is issued by the Allied authorities, so Great Britain, France, Russia, or Soviet Union at the time, and America. And these are designed, and all the plates are actually made in the United States. And where is it? Usually on one of these little curls there, you have an F sometimes. Maybe this one doesn't have it. I think this is issued in the United States zone, because it doesn't have a dash in front of it, so it's definitely not Russian. And it's all in German. And it's worth 20 marks, equivalent to 20 Reichsmarks. And these were circulated up until 1948, between 1945 and 1948. And they come in denominations of half a mark to 1,000 marks. So the 1,000 marks is probably a bit harder to get. So that's quite a nice banknote, that one. Let's open this package. Oh, and it has a customs declaration. So, customs declaration. It's in Swedish and English. Don't have them in so Swedish and English. They don't actually have them in. They used to have them in French, which was the international language. But considering English is now the international language, not French, because who the hell wants to learn French? Merci beaucoup. What the Germans are coming? Okay, so this is probably coins because it's wrapped up. So this might be an invoice, so I better be careful. Just remember, don't show your address on YouTube, because you don't know who's watching. And yeah, it does have my address. It is an invoice, and these are all coins of Finland. So I'll have to do another video on this. They come in these, and then, oh look, see, made a little tag on it. Made a little tag, and just take it off. So this seller is actually quite good. I've brought off him before. And what do we have here? Okay, it's another one. Okay, so then we'll go through them individually. We have, I think these ones here, I'll just empty them out. I think those ones are they Polish? Let's have a look. So I know they're Polish, Lithuanian, Commonwealth. So, as you can see, it has the coat of arms of Poland there, Lithuania there, so I know that. And it has Polo there, so this is I think it's one Polotsky or something. And here's the date there. The date is 23. This is 24th of a Tala. So that's not bad. I actually like collecting these Polish, Lithuanian, Commonwealth coins. Cool. And the rest are just lots of, so Finnish coins. They're 1 penny. Nicholas II and III. These ones are 25 penny. So not bad. I actually tried to get the whole set, but I think I missed the 50 and 1 penny, I believe. But I did get a 2 marker, 1974. And these are all actually low mintage coins because Finland's population was not actually quite high. So let's have a look. I think that's about all. They're all opened. These ones are actually not cheap. So here I have 1 penny, 1883. From my head I can't think of the mintage figures, but I tried to get the ones with the lower mintages. Nicholas II, Alexander III, 1913. Oops, these are actually in very good condition. Nicholas II, 1916. It's actually quite a nice coin. I do have the 5 and 10 penny somewhere else. So 1883. This one's pretty circulated. Alexander III. And this one is Nicholas II. And what's the date? 1914. So I quite like this. Pretty small. Then I have the 10 penny, 1865. And all of them just have the initials of the reigning monarch. So Alexander II, 1866. And this one's in better condition. Alexander II as well. So I quite like that. It looks quite thick. Quite thick. And if I can get a current coin, yeah, a US $half. So I put the, well, it's nearly the same size as a US $half. And that was a 10 penny. Not the same size. So 100 years ago you can actually get quite nice coins. 1917, so this is the last year, because Finland, oh, this one's an error. Have a look at that. See the die crack that goes right across it. And looks like it goes that side as well. So this is the last year because Finland declared independence this year. And they started to issue their own coins, in which this is actually one of their own coins that they issued because it doesn't have the crown at the top. So if I show this one has the crown, and this one has no crown. So the no crown is an independence issue. This one's 1916, 1917. And then I have 2 older pennies, 1897, 1898. I need to check the mintage figures for those. And if we have a look at the other side, just as the Russian coat of arms with the finish line in the middle. So that's how you can tell. Then I have the 2 marker. 2 marker is actually a lot harder to get. 1874. So this is quite well circulated. These would have actually circulated a lot more than the 1 pennier because of the high value. They wouldn't have actually been collected by a lot of people. And we have an engraving on the side. Not bad. Need to find it. Looks like it has the value. And it has the Russian coat of arms as well. Okay, it looks like it has the value as well. But I'm not too sure what it says. If you read finish, I'd like to know. And here we have 2 independence coins. So yeah, these were revalued in 1960 because 1 penny equals 100 marker equals 1 new marker. 1929, 1938, and 10 marker. Okay, it looks like it's pretty. It's a bit damaged at the top there. Post-mint damage, that looks like. Well, it could not be. It could be. Actually, it might be a die crack, where a bit of the metal has come off, because you can see a bit of the actual minting. I hate it when it doesn't focus on this, because it's just focusing on random. So I have to look at that quite in more detail. So anyway, those are my new items. If you like them, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also have an awesome coin collecting and banknote collecting time, people. Thank you. Bye bye.